What's the meaning of clambake? Clambake. Clambake.
Clambake. Clambake. Clambake is a term used to describe a social gathering or party that involves the cooking and consumption of clams. The event typically takes place on the beach or other outdoor location where clams can be gathered and cooked. During a clambake, the clams are often steamed or roasted over an open fire, along with other seafood and vegetables. The resulting feast is a delicious and festive occasion that is enjoyed by all who attend. Overall, a clambake is a fun and tasty way to enjoy the great outdoors with friends and family.